Surprise! I came to see you! Lina! Oh my god, you really came!
Yes, I missed you so much!
I missed you too, sweetheart. I can't believe my eyes! This is the best surprise!
I wanted to see your smile first.
Come here, let me hug you tight.
Your house looks the same, but you look taller.
Oh, and you look more grown up now. Come inside, Lina. You must be tired.
Yes, but I feel happy after seeing you.
Sit here comfortably. This sofa is soft.
It feels nice and cozy.
Make yourself at home. I will make fresh juice for you.
Can I help you?
And you can wash the fruits.
Okay, I like helping you.
Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice, please.
Good choice. It is healthy. Here is your juice, Lina.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Take small sips.
Wow, it tastes very fresh.
I'm glad you like it.
You always make tasty drinks.
That's because I make them with love.
I feel special today.
Do you want to go out somewhere?
Yes, I want to see the market.
We can go shopping together.
Really? That sounds fun. I want to buy new shoes.
Then let's get ready soon.
I will wear my favorite dress.
It looks nice on you.
You also look beautiful.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes, I am excited.
Don't forget your smile.
My smile is always ready. The weather feels nice.
Evening walks are always peaceful.
I like walking with you.
I like listening to your stories.
I will tell you everything today.
I have time only for you.
That makes me happy.
Here comes the shoe shop.
Wow, there are so many shoes here.
Yes, look at all the colors and sizes.
I like these pink ones.
They look cute. Try them on.
Okay, I will sit here.
Take your time, no hurry.
They feel soft inside.
Walk a little and see.
They are very comfortable.
Comfort is important for your feet.
I think I found my shoes.
Good choice, Lina.
I feel very happy today.
Your smile tells everything.
Thank you for this beautiful day.
I enjoyed it too.
I will remember this visit forever.
Memories like this stay in the heart.
Maya, look at this blue dress.
It is very pretty. Do you like long dresses?
Yes. They make me feel grown up.
Try it once. The color suits you.
Wow, I look different.
You look confident and happy.
Can I wear this for family functions?
Of course, this dress is perfect for you.
I feel like a princess.
Then this princess dress is coming home with us.
My legs are tired now.
Then it's time for ice cream.
Really? That makes me happy again.
Which flavor do you want?
Chocolate, always chocolate.
I will take vanilla.
Ice cream tastes better after shopping.
Everything tastes better when we share it.
Today feels very special.
Simple days become special with good company.
The park looks beautiful in the evening.
Yes, the air feels fresh.
I like walking slowly like this.
Me too. It helps us relax.
I wish this day never ends.
Even if it ends, memories stay.
I will remember this walk.
And I will remember your smile. Lina, close your eyes for a moment.
Why? Is it a game?
Just trust me.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
Open them now.
Wow, a bracelet for me?
Yes, I bought it for you.
I love it so much.
Whenever you wear it, remember today.
I will never forget this day. My bag is full and my heart is full too.
That is the best feeling.
Shoes, dress, ice cream, and memories.
And a long day well spent.
Thank you for everything, Maya.
Thank you for coming into my day.
This visit was the best surprise.
You are always welcome here. Today was a very special day for me. Lina did not just visit my house. She filled my home with laughter and warmth. We walked together. We talked, shopped, and shared small moments. These moments may look simple, but they are precious. Time passes very fast, but memories like this stay in the heart forever. Lina will go back with new shoes and a small gift. But I will keep something more special. Thank you for watching this sweet story with us. Listen, repeat, and learn simple English with Beginner English Zone. See you again in another beautiful everyday story. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe to Beginner English Zone channel.